You have to knock like all those architectural digest things. Don't used to watch it. So I'm not like, knock. Knock! Hi! Oh my God, come in. Welcome to my apartment. Like I didn't invite you. Oh, come in, guys. Hi! Hi, everyone. You're welcome to my empty house store. Guys, let me just state now that yes, I have an injury on my hand. Before everybody starts asking me what happened to your hand, what happened to your hand, it's an injury. And I'm not being able to go to the gym. Now I'm already having breast. I'm very soon I'm going to do the bra. Can you imagine? But it's okay. My hand is going to heal by Tuesday, and I'll be able to get those muscles, 6 abs. Anyway, guys, welcome to my empty house store. Let me look around like it's not just a one-bedroom apartment. I'm joking, it's not. Come in, guys. You're welcome to my empty house store. This is the sitting room. Let me tell you what happened, guys, a backstory. Where I lived before, I used to pay monthly, and at first it was like 900,000 naira, and then one time it was 1.2, and one time it was 1.5, and it was 1.7, and one day they were like, oh, it's now 2.1 million. I'm like, oh,
hell no, man. What the
you're
fuck,
like kidding
man?
me, right? Who's gonna pay 2 million naira like for an apartment per month? Bruh. And so I said, you know what? Boom! I'm out of here. If you see me drive by, don't allow it, your boy. Don't allow me. I'm kidding. And then I found an apartment. What were my requirements for this new apartment? I said, number one, it has to be in Lekki and in Seven Rounds because that's close to work. Number two, I need to be living in the apartment alone. And number three, I want it to be big enough that my driver could be downstairs and be doing whatever he wants to do. And I'm upstairs and I cannot hear him. Exactly, because like, do whatever you want to do, boy. I don't want to hear your business. I'm just joking. I love my driver so much. He's my G. Awkward. So welcome to my empty house apartment, and I have a giveaway at the end of this video. So keep watching to the end. I'm in my influencing era back. It's giving 2020 YouTube. It's giving 2020 influencer. Okay, so this is where the dining is going to be. One thing I've said is that I don't want my space to look like those Gen Z spaces where everything is white and gray and clay pots everywhere. Disgusting. Like, give me color, give me wood, give me children are going to be running around here one day. Wait, I'm not sure I'm going to have children because I had to have sex to have children, and I'm not sure I'm going to have sex because, like, ew, that's disgusting. Like, someone else is going to see you naked. Scary. Like, Anyway, this is where the dining is going to be. I've not found the wood for the dining table because I went to one site yesterday and I was seeing 7 million for dining table. If I'm sitting on the dining table and it's 7 million naira, I'll be crying as I'm eating. Walai, I should use 7 million naira to buy a dining table. Share Yahweh. You know, it's one thing to rent a house, it's another thing to furnish. And I think the problem is that everybody's like interior designer, you're a carpenter. Did you really study interior designing? You're a carpenter, don't lie. Putting 7 million naira on what? Anyway, another reason why I'm making this video is that everything is going to be sponsored. For example, LG sent me this beautiful fridge. Everybody say thank you, LG. Thank you, LG. Wow.
Who the fuck are you? Wow. It is not wow. Do your findings.
Let's go to the kitchen, guys. Welcome to my lovely kitchen. This is my favorite part of the house, actually, because I'm going to be doing a lot of cooking videos because I love food. I love food so much. And if you've not followed my new, come inside and I'll show you how we're in. I'm just kidding, guys. And if you've not subscribed to my new YouTube channel, Food Master, you should definitely subscribe now, period. Link in bio, link up there, see the name, subscribe. This is my kitchen. What I plan to do here is that I plan to go back to some of the loves of my life, like baking. I really miss baking, and I used to bake a lot when I was young because my mom used to be a baker as well. And I want to do all of that stuff. You see, what sold me on this house was the wood. I love the wood everywhere. Like, give me something to work with, and there's even a store. I'm thinking of converting the store to a prayer room, so like just give it aesthetics. Everybody be like, oh my God, you're so cool. I mean, you can pray everywhere. I've never understood the reasons why people have prayer rooms. They say the anointing there is always stronger, but okay. So this house is also a 4-bedroom apartment with 1 office and a sitting room upstairs. There is a room here. There is also a visitor's toilet by that side. And then you go upstairs. This place is going to be my wall of fame. I'm going to put so many outstanding projects that I've done, so many amazing pictures that I've taken. They're going to be framed here. My certificates, first class graduate, master's, PhD. All of us, exactly. Okay, so this is the second sitting room. I'm probably going to be doing all of my videos here because I have a natural light source here. And this is my room. Come in.
How you want it? are you running?
I actually fainted. Guys. Yeah, recording, raise me up. No, seriously, guys. I fainted. Okay. I'm not going to be sleeping here actually. This is going to be a closet. Okay, they started packing my clothes here, but one thing that sold me immediately was this big closet and this big bathroom. We're trying to arrange everything now because I'm trying to start living here. It's been like a month and I've not lived here. But this room has a very big closet. I mean, you can see the closet. Come. Come! Ofofo. I know you want to see it. I mean, don't record my clothes. Don't record my clothes. Don't record them. I'm joking. These are some of my clothes. But yeah, the closet is so big. And then there is an office. This is where my library is going to be. I'm going to fill this whole place with books and shelves and make an office where I can write and, think about my life and solve all of my life's problems. This is where I'm going to sit and discuss all of my life problems and say, okay, I don't have any life problems. I do. Let me show you what a typical room here looks like. Voila! This big empty space and then a bathroom. Voila! Toilets are disgusting. I stand on it. Don't show anybody a toilet. This is where my room is gonna be. Just look at this picture. Look at him. Guys, let me show you the wardrobe. Can you see how it's wood? That's what sold me with this place. Like, give me color. Blue, brown, like, why must everything be white clay pots? And that's one thing I told my interior designer. I don't want to see that clay pot thing anywhere near this place. Get that thing off my site. I'm going to show you guys a little bit of outside, but we're practically done. I hope this video is just 5 minutes, really, because I don't want it to be so long. Okay, so guys, I just showed you my empty house tour. I'm excited. If you want to reach me to donate in another house for me, let me know in the comment section below, and I'll be happy to receive a new house. A billionaire can see this video and be like, oh, Annie, I don't like this house for you. Where do you want to be living? Banana Island. Yes, I will take it. Thank you. Guys, secret, there's a BQ there. And this place, I plan to plant flowers all over so that everywhere looks beautiful. But anyway, there's a whole compound, guys. And I can also play not football, but I mean, so that Princess, my dog, I'm going to adopt another dog as well because I need 2 dogs now. Can also play around. Thank you guys so much for coming to my empty house store. If you have any suggestions for me, let me know in the comment section on how you think I should decorate, what you like as well, and what you think I should turn some of the rooms to. I have 1 room as a closet, 1 personal room, but I have 2 rooms I don't know what to use them for yet. So let me know if you have suggestions in the comment section. But thank you guys. My name remains Aniolu Adeoluwa Prince. Welcome, Brandon, come over and some period. Thank you, but you can call me Annie. Bye. Bye. Cold.